Let's double check once again. Quick outlook for LTC USDT trading pair with my custom indicator set. So guys, after the dump, this one, we try and hold the line and try and break the yearly open. Now they run an already tradable LTC ETF, the same like for HBAR and XRP, but like you can see, this is not the driver for the parabolic move. I still believe so LTC can hit new all-time high this cycle. First trouble area will be this monthly gap. It's 182 between 154. So this is a first trouble area for LTC. Maybe the narrative about the old tokens after the Zcash hit the new all-time high will not like all-time high because some spike on Zcash over than 6K, I guess. Anyway, the Zcash hit over the 2021 high. So for LTC, it can be absolutely the same story, and I believe we can hit around 500. Now it's $100. So basically, it's 400, I guess. Yes, 400% gains is for new all-time high historical one for LTC with ETF. I think it's not like something craziness. So last cycle, guys, from the COVID down below, this one March 2020, the LTC performed like 1,568% gains from that low in June 2022. If we perform to this hypothetical rejection line, it will be just like 1,000%. To hit the new all-time high, the LTC needs to just perform 1,000% gains. And if we hit the same gains like previous cycle, so it will be approximately like this one, 691. Of course, when and if we pass the 500 for LTC, if it's happened, because we can't know the future, we just build a plan after the fact, can be right or wrong. And if we hit and reach the 500, I guess we will start see the million posts about the next target is 1,000 confirmed, so 10,000, 50,000 and all of this stuff. Because even now for Zcash, you can find the post. So people after the Arthur Hayes, they start shielding information and the idea. So the Zcash should pump to 10K. I think it's just make no sense. That's why, guys, if we not, hit this block, and if we are in extended bear market, so maybe we just in a long bear market, and we will see another drop and all industry wrecked. So this is a gaps. So this is the next monthly gap. So like 22 and even to 4. I don't think so. We're gonna drop now from $100 to 22. Basically, no make sense. Or if we will, you just can't imagine what will happen with other altcoins. So it's going to be just a nightmare, and nobody will come back to this industry anymore. Now we drop it down and bounce it from the monthly open. This is a yearly open. So this target, guys, is the next trouble area. This one, gap, and this liquidity pool, what we live here in November 2021. Done. Let's double check, guys, with indicator set, but I would like to show you on Binance here also the targets. So this was a support. If we count the FIB from 2021 high. If we not count that chart, what I showed you, it was a global one. And this is if we use the FIB from 2021, this is the top, support, bounce, 0.5, 27 block accumulation, retest this accumulation again on Donald Trump dump. And once again, the support, if something happened and we will not hold the line at a zero level, at a yearly open and around zero level, the next step of support, it's $65. I don't think so. We're going to drop to 65. So the next block is monthly gap, what I showed you, 265. It's 0.5 sweep of the high, November 21, 300 round number. And here, 1.61 level by FIB can be like 595. So this is it. Around here, if we will see these levels, everybody will start screwing. We're going to the moon to 10,000, 50,000, and all of this stuff. So let's focus now on middle term targets, guys, on the weekly time frame with indicator set. Highly recommend you use the fresh new dashboard. This one, by the way, it's just 1 hour time frame, bearish reversal. So let's adjust the time frame for direction like 1 month. No, not 1 month. No. Let's adjust to 1 day. This one. So it's neutral. Highly recommend you use this dashboard. You can adjust any time frame and for quick look, so you can move from asset to asset, just double check all information in one place on the pretty good dashboard. All my 6 indicators in one place. So direction, ADZ I can show you because it's a global ticker. It's not showing the data. You can use it on some exchanges. For example, this is direction, no signal to sell or buy. So it's neutral. A monthly time frame, we just passed the middle line. So it's not crazy bullish, not crazy bearish, so nothing. Daily, we just consolidate in the range like weekly open, monthly open. It's 110 and $95. So this can be a long consolidation. If we pay attention for the week, usually we come back and close the 50% of the week. We almost did it. Like you can see here how the price reacts. So we leave the week candle, right? And we drop to 23, come back, sweep liquidity of this drop and hold the line till penny at 38. This is necessary, so we should drop to 0.5. If yes, it's 77.51. If market makers want drop the LTC to correction 0.5 over 50 to close this 50% of the week, we can go skyrocket to the moon over the 135 and the test of monthly block. So now we just chop and consolidation. Let's double check the 12 time frame. Also neutral, no bullish, no bearish signals, nothing. Market mode, 12 time frame, it's not an option. Here is this one. I mean, not an option because we have to pay attention for daily, weekly, monthly now if we wanted to see some reversal signals. Here's just a positive. So some optimism, some disbelief was capitulation here. So we bounce it to the top and now come back to the just optimism. Weekly time frame, this is also optimism. Monthly, we saw underrated, I guess. It's still hope. This is just a hope. So this is not like a 3 year, it wasn't some 21. So we're still early, I guess. Trade on, sell monthly, sell, buy back. This one is a weekly, sell, buy back, sell, buy back. Now nothing. So you can track everything in real time. What I don't like, we didn't see the signal take profit. On 12 time frame, I guess we did. And wow, no, not yet. So this was a sell, buy back, no signal to take profit from the sell. So this is a local one. So it's kind of scary. Just to be honest. So maybe we'll see another drop to 77. But what will be the trigger for that drop? I have no idea even. And take a look, the take profit I would like to show you later. Here, daily money in, money out, few days before, kind of strange, right? On the daily time frame, somebody knew it. Something about the potential Donald Trump tariffs, maybe. But of course, indicators can't predict the news, but they showing us some data about money inflow and outflow. Here's also money outflow. So kind of strange. Now no money inflow, nothing. Weekly time frame, some money inflow was here in March. Now nothing. So if we'll see the drop, it can be the $77 or even 65, right? And the drop once again to the bottom with some maybe money inflow. A monthly money inflow was here in February 25. Now nothing. So kind of strange, guys. Yes, totally agree. And the last indicator is take profit, guys. Here we tested almost till penny tested the fundamental value of this token on the daily. Buy line tested $70. So we now just in the range, and it's hard to say. Just base it on some news, maybe we'll go or test the buy line 70.76. So this one, if the token traded in the middle, I just skip it. If I don't want to buy it for a spot for a long run. And 141, it's a take profit line, and 159 test of the monthly gap, it's exit line. Weekly time frame, we tested the buy line, so basically it's bullish. Next step, it's take profit on the weekly 121.83, exit line 139.37. Monthly time frame, we also retest the buy line on the monthly. So the next step is 118, exit line 134, and higher price targets. So we need to see something like this one. So if we compare the cycle, but I guess there's no make sense to compare the cycle. So we now around here, could be around here.
So guys, write please in a comment what you think about LTC. If you like to trade with my customer, because I will show in this video, just write me a DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.